Dear God, thank you for the privilege and the blessing to see another birthday today. I'm grateful for all you've done in my life. I don't want to assume. I've got a few questions to ask. Am I still on the right track? If I've diverted from your plan, your purpose for my life, I'm happy to turn back. It doesn't matter how far I've gone. It doesn't matter how much I've won. If you are telling me to leave it all and follow you, I'm happy to come. I'd rather be late and right than be early and wrong. As long as you're with me, I'm happy to arrive later than people's expectations. I don't want to drive myself to the wrong destination. Remind me, what is your original purpose? What did you originally say about me? Before you formed me in my mother's womb, who did you want me to be? What did you want me to do? Why did you send me to earth at this time? There are many jobs, occupations, careers, vocations, but which one is mine? I don't want to just do what I think I should do. I don't want to just follow what people say. I'm grateful for people's advice and suggestions, but God, what are you saying? You designed me for a particular purpose. You know what field I'm meant to be playing. Am I still playing my position on your team? Am I still shooting at the right goal? Am I still following your plan, your script? Or have I taken someone else's role? You are the perfect creator and director. If there is anything out of place, it's not your fault, it must be mine. Am I still playing my original role? Or am I copying someone else's lines? I seem to have many good ideas. Which one is for later? Which one is for now? I'm happy to wait until you tell me the what, the when, where, and how. Lord, I don't want to do this journey of life without you because I will get tired. I don't want to just get any job and work till I'm retired. You have made me for something specific. I feel very inspired. But I surrender all my plans, thoughts, passions, and all my heart desires. No matter how far I've gone, if it's in the wrong direction, I'm ready to stop. It doesn't matter how many things I've carried along the way, I'm ready to drop. It doesn't matter how close I am to the top, the destination, the definition of success I gave myself. It doesn't matter what I've put on my trolley, I'm ready to put it all back on the shelf. I'm ready to stop all the projects you didn't authorize. I'm ready to wait and be patient until it's my time to rise. I'm not in a rush. Where am I rushing to? I don't want to make it to the top of any mountain, any ladder, any chart, any list, if it's without you. I will not do things my way. Lead me, Lord. Guide me, Lord. Show me your plan for each day. There are a few things my heart desires, but I don't want it in my time, but God's time. No matter the pressure on my back, I will not step over your boundaries or cross your lines. And if what I think I need is not what you think, I'm ready to flush that desire down the sink. I surrender my life to you, Lord. I want your plan. You formed me, you made me, you designed me with your hands. You know why I'm on earth and the assignment I'm sent to do. To others, it might look like I know what I'm doing, but honestly, I don't have a clue. Lord, I come back to you. I set aside my reputation and pride. Clean me, purify me, refine me, inside and outside. Show me the way. Show me the target you want me to shoot. Show me my field where I will bear fruit. Direct my steps to the people and the places that are mine. Tell me what, where, with who, and what time. Lord, thank you for another year. This is how I choose to start. Not my will, but your will be done. I trust you with all my heart. I've made choices in the past, driven by the wrong reason. God, you have full permission. Supervise me in this new season. Where you send is where I will go. If you say yes, I won't say no. Spend my life for your purposes. Spend my days to fulfill your will. Help me to know when to go and when to sit still. Lord, my life is yours. It is for you I live. My time, my strength, my gifts, my talents, to you I give. Everything I am, everything I have, you gave to me. Make me all you want me to be.